Hello and welcome to Cloud Perceptor Channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step for building a simple sentiment analyzer using Hugging Face Transformer. So, why we need sentiment analysis? So, basically, for let's say for customer feedback, right? If you want to analyze that, you want to understand the customer opinions, preferences, and attitudes towards your products and services. This understanding can, it will guide your product development, marketing strategies, and customer service improvements. So let's say you have a 10,000 reviews, right? And you want to perform some sentiment analysis on that. Then you can come to know like that what users are thinking about your product. Okay, and this analysis can help you in your product development. Next is personalized services. So by understanding customer sentiments, you know, you can tailor the services to meet individual preferences and thereby enhancing the chance to customer satisfaction and loyalty. Proactive support. So sentiment analysis can identify negative customer experiences in real time. It also allows businesses to respond proactively to address issues and improve customer relations. So these are some of the industry, top uh, sentiment analysis use cases, but there are many. Now let's understand what is Hugging Face. So Hugging Face is a company and community primarily known for its work in the field of NLP, natural language processing, and with the AI. Okay, they have become particularly famous for their open source library, Transformers, which provides a wide range of pre-trained models and kind of tools for tasks like text classification, information extraction, question answering, summarization, translation, and text generation. So the popular library for Hugging Face is Transformers library that we are going to do some hands-on experience on that, which is a centerpiece of Hugging Face offering. It is a Python-based library that simplifies the use of transformer-based models like BERT, GPT, T5, and others. These models have revolutionized NLP by providing state-of-the-art results in a variety of tasks. So now we know what is sentiment analysis and Hugging Face. Now let's write some code, and of course we'll be using Python and Hugging Face Transformers library to build up the analyzer. And please note that I'm using Deep Note. So let's go back to our IDE. All right, so I'm using Deep Note over here. I'll be using a new notebook. Okay, I'll call it as a sentiment analyzer. It is setting up the notebook. Meanwhile, I'm opening up a new terminal. Okay, so it's over here. Okay, so what I will be doing now is I will be installing the transformers library. PIP install transformers. So let's wait until this gets installed. Yeah, that's done. Moving to my notebook, sentiment analyzer. Let's import. So from transformers, import pipeline. Okay. So once this is done, we'll run it. All right, this has got completed. Now moving to the second line, sentiment pipeline. We call it as a sentiment pipeline and pipeline sentiment analysis. So remember in Hugging Face, okay, a pipeline is like a tool, okay, that's gonna help you to perform a series of steps to change into the form you want. So this pipeline makes it simple to use these tools for different kind of jobs, okay, without needing to know all the complex details and how these tools work on the inside. We have created our sentiment analysis pipeline. Okay, so we'll run this as well. Yep, that got completed. Moving to the third portion, we'll be putting result is equal to. So this in this line we are running the sentiment analysis. Okay, sentiment pipeline, and we'll be typing our keyword over here. So something like uh, every day we come across new opportunities through which we create happiness. We should accept these opportunities. So this seems to be a positive statement. Now let's print the result. Below this, print the result. Right. So that's it. We'll run this code. As you can see, it is a positive. It becomes positive in the sentiment analysis, and the score is 0.99. Okay. Now let's use some negative keyword. Okay. Just random text over here. Let's do it. And as you can see, there is a negative score analysis. Okay. So, so you can try with the multiple sentences as well within an array. So let's say I can write something like this. Let me just do a control Z for the first statement. I'll put that in an array. Okay, here we go. All right. So this is our first statement that we just wrote. Okay. Okay. And oh, I did something wrong over here. It should be in the bracket like this. So first array got completed. We'll be adding some comma over here. Second bracket with the this one. Now I'll be adding one more text. We remove the double quotes. Work on Sundays. I hate that. Well, I don't hate that, but okay. So now let's print the result. Oops. Okay, maybe it's something wrong. It should be not be in multiple arrays. It should be a part of the single array as a string. Great. All right. Now let's run this. All right. So as you can see, we got one positive and one negative. Okay. So in case you have multiple sentiments, you can pass it as an array. Okay. So that's it, guys. I hope you understand how powerful the Hugging Face Transformer library is. This is just a simple of one of the many pre-trained models that Hugging Face provides. Unless you are working on unique problem, you should find a pre-trained model in Hugging Face that is available for your use case. Okay. So to summarize, you have learned about sentiment analysis and Hugging Face. It is a powerful tool in the world of NLP. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video. Do like and subscribe my channel. Do support us. Thank you.